Hi friends, good morning. Balavin Kural. This is my YouTube channel. I am very happy to meet all of you through this channel today. I am going to talk about my interest in computers in this episode. Computers came in a large way somewhere around 1994. Before that, only wealthy people or very big scientific departments were having computers. The department in which I worked, India Meteorological Department, is a very scientific department, and it was having computers even before that, right from 1980s. In fact, there was a supercomputer at that time. At that time, the World Meteorological Network has been established. India was having the responsibility of collecting the meteorological data from all over India and the neighboring nations. Say, for example, the data will be collected by Chennai from the states of Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. The small stations in Andhra Pradesh will send their data to Hyderabad. Similarly, Karnataka stations to Bangalore, Kerala stations to Tirunelveli, Tamil Nadu stations to Nungambakam. All these collecting centers will send the data to Meenambakam. Meenambakam will send the data to Delhi RTH, Regional Telecommunication Hub. These data will be coming at a speed of 52 baud per second. After collecting these data, immediately the RTH will be sending this data to the World Meteorological Center. The World Meteorological Center will be sending the world data to India. This will come at the speed of 9600 baud per second. But India are having teleprinters, electromechanical teleprinters, which can type only at the speed of 52 watts per second. Then when electronic printers came, the speed has increased to 2400 watts per second. These are all happening only in 90s. But during 1980, IMD was having a supercomputer to receive data from world meteorological centers like Moscow, Geneva and Melbourne at a speed of 9600 watts per second, and will send the same to the meteorological center situated at the state capitals at a speed of 52 watts per second. So for this, they were having a message switching computer, which is a supercomputer, Cray XMP model, that has been subsequently upgraded. Now we are having a supercomputer for message switching, as well as a supercomputer for generating the model outputs through which we are giving forecast. So IMD has always been a pioneer in using the computers. So around 1994 in Madras, we brought a new facility called High Resolution Picture Transmission Reception Center. So this was receiving the images of polar orbiting satellites from the American satellites. So for this, we installed a system which was having a computer system with 4 or 5 computers. At that time, Windows operating system did not develop. We were having only disk operating system called as DOS. So in DOS, for each and every command, you have to type the command. Suppose you want to print a document, means you have to give a tree in where the document is stored, and then give print command. If you want to save, there is a save command in text format. But in 1995, Windows introduced a icon based desktop interface operating system, from in which we used to have different icons. My computer, one icon. some other the word, one icon, some other utility, another icon, like that. So at this time I started working in computers, different sort of computers in IMD. So that HRPT, when the computers were introduced, I was working there. Later I came and started working in cyclone detection radar. This was an old Mitsubishi radar. It was replaced in 2002 with a new Germatronic Germany made radar, Doppler weather radar, with which new computers came with the operating system Windows 2000 NT. So from Windows 95, 98, 2000, 2000 NT. So from disk operating system, I directly jumped to the Windows 2000 NT system, and from then onwards, whenever Windows upgrade their disk operating system, I also upgrade my system. I am having a computer now, laptop. I am having a laptop, computer and all. Everything I have the latest operating system. Now I have Windows 10. So around this time, I came in contact with Jayaseelan. He is the editor of Tamil Computer, a bi-monthly magazine, 2 issues in a month. He asked me to contribute articles in his magazine. So I started writing. I wrote about these operating systems. Kanini Yengudalangal. Around that time only this pen drive came. So how to use pen drive? How to take precautions while using a pen drive? Because this pen drive is the main culprit which used to give virus to our computers. Then I was writing about the antivirus softwares. I was writing about the digital signature device. Like this, I was writing so many things in the Tamil Computer magazine, but afterwards my interest got shifted somewhere else, so I stopped writing. Still, computers is a subject which I follow. If I have time, I used to give new information in Tamil to the Tamil readers in Tamil. So, in my YouTube channel, Balavin Kural, I will be talking about computers also through my videos. I request all of you to see the videos, like it, subscribe the channel. Thank you, my dear friends. Bye.